Welcome to our instructional video on zoning the IT2 transformer by Alliance Outdoor Lighting. The IT2 transformer offers 3 individual zones, allowing you to customize your landscape lighting to perfection. Zoning enables you to tailor when specific areas of your yard are illuminated. For example, you might want the lights on your house to turn off before bedtime, while keeping the perimeter lighting on for enhanced security throughout the night. To set up zones, simply connect each zone to the transformer using the labeled terminal bar. Then, using the IT Pro app, connect to the transformer and navigate to the zones on the dashboard. From there, you can easily power each zone on and off, even rename them for easy identification. To rename each zone, simply hold on the zone and then change the zone name in the white box that appears. You can also program each zone individually using the Program Settings button found below the zones. Now that you're all set up, here are some more benefits to zoning with the IT2 transformer. Adjust the lighting in each zone to create the perfect ambiance for any event. Reduce unnecessary electricity consumption and save on your energy bills by only illuminating the areas of your yard that are in use. Accentuate your favorite plants, trees, or architectural elements by zoning to highlight different features. With the IT2 transformer's easy-use zoning capabilities, the possibilities for enhancing your outdoor space are endless. So get creative and make the most of your outdoor lighting by zoning with the IT2 transformer. It's that simple. Your zones are now set up and ready to enhance your outdoor lighting experience.